Y'all, the disrespect is real with this, like, sensational. The price you're charging for me not to have a plucked hairline the way that I want it plucked, I'm not here for that. And I should have known better because I've been having negative experience with this company as a whole. Would I pick it up again? No. Do I feel like I was catfished by Sensationnel again? Yes.
Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, but taking it easy like poco.
Feeling my fate, I'm immersing my sound. Fearing the hate to create the compound. Dealing with clearing the negatives out. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Dropping you stay, so you know I'm around. Stop where you lay, devastating your ground. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Dropping you stay, so you know I'm around. Misery loves company, it's not the only one. Energy on enemies will make you come undone. Beat off negativity to remedy their fun. Sense of jealousy and hate inside the house. I'm stepping inside your house, betting I'm kicking my feet on your couch, checking no cushions and clearing you out, setting my dishes up under your spouse, shedding your bedding and wearing it out, messing your threading and airing it out. I've been expelling and came here to gouge, letting you sweat your regret with a slouch. Came out the dirty, no Oscar the grouch. I'm disrespecting and spitting my clouds, cutting I'm flexing in front of your spouse, getting you pressed like a fruit by the ounce, testing your patience and stressing you out.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another sensational unit. And honey, let me tell you, the disrespect is real with this one. I don't think I've tried a sensational human hair unit, so I wanted to give this one a try because the stock card on it looked beautiful, you guys. So this is the Sensational Loose Wave 24 unit. As far as the specs are concerned, it is a human hair 13x4 HD lace parting space unit. It does come pre-plucked, they said. It does come with baby hairs. I just want to come in and show you this hairline, honey, because I think I'm utterly shocked because they have a lot of synthetic units that are way more plucked than this one. You definitely can go and do the work and it's not atrocious at all. It's definitely wearable, but I feel like for this price point, I'm like disgusted. I'm disgusted it's not as plucked as a lot of their other synthetic units. So let me just come in and show you, girl. So as you can see, y'all, they definitely did the bare minimum. Honey, like, it is nowhere near what I want. It is not giving me what I need, and that's what I'm disappointed about. I did go in and bleach the knots on this one, and it did take the bleach really nicely, but let me tell you another thing, you guys. The quality on this hair is not up to par in my opinion. It's supposed to be human hair. The dryness and the tangling and shedding that I was getting with this bad boy, I was not living for it. The quality of this hair does not seem like it's up to par. It's not trash, but it's definitely not giving me the money's worth, if you dig what I'm saying. The density on it is really nice though. This is all the hair to the front. I did go in with some water and some mousse to just define the curls out because it was a little bit dry, honey. It's a little bit too dry for me. Wetting it definitely did help me minimize the tangling and shedding, so I definitely did like that. And I do like the volume that it does get when it's more dried out. It's definitely a good amount of hair. If I had to guess the density, I want to say it's around between 150 to 180%, so it's definitely a perfect amount of hair, especially with the length, you guys. This one is super long. I'm 5'3" for reference, and honey, this is long. It is long. The cap size on this one, I definitely will say it's small, medium, and big head friendly. I did have to go and adjust the straps pretty much all the way. I'm not wearing it with my wig grip band. It is fitting my head very snug, so I will give them that. It did give me a little bit hump action. You guys may have seen I did go inside to add some heat, and it did take the heat very well, of course. Got rid of that hump action like nobody's business. It's cute, but I don't even know, honestly, for this price point. I'm not here for it. I'm not here for it at all. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con is going to be the price you're charging for me not to have a plucked hairline the way that I want it plucked. I'm not here for that at all. You guys are catfishing. Like I said in previous videos, I just feel like they're riding out the Sensational name because of what we've come to expect with them. They've set the bar pretty high, but with this one, y'all, they dropped it. They dropped it in my opinion. Like, you can look at it and say it's cute and all that, like it might be, but I feel like compared to like the hairline and everything of a lot of their other Sensational synthetic units, the fact that y'all are not putting this much work into the units they're charging 10 times more money for, that's human. Like, y'all ain't gonna give me that same energy on a unit that I'm paying more for. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. It's honestly making me stray so far away from Sensational, and I should have known better because I've been having negative experience with this company and I wouldn't pick it up again. So that's why I'm coming to you guys with this video, because I don't want you to do to yourself what I did to myself. So I guess I'll just jump into the pros of this unit, because that's probably my only con, but I do definitely think that is a big con, honey. So the pros with this unit, I definitely would say, I mean, the curl pattern is very nice. It does take product very well. The length, you definitely do get all that length, so that was definitely good. The density on it is nice. The texture on it is okay, I would say. I mean, like I said, when you add product, it does definitely feel better, but dried out, it is not giving me what I am liking. The pros are probably the baby hairs, the parting space, making it versatile, the curl pattern, the length, the density, the volume. Those are definitely some good sides to this. As a whole, would I pick it up again? No. Do I feel like I was catfished by Sensational again? Yes. Like, you gotta this is one you're definitely gonna put work into. I mean, you don't necessarily have to, but I probably would. But I mean, honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.